Good evening. Welcome in daily UPSC Totally Audio program. More guts for our food regulators. The Economic Times. Whether food products we ingest are safe or not continues to worry us, or at any rate should worry us. Recent reports by Hong Kong and Singapore food regulators of two popular Indian brands of pre-packaged spice mix products allegedly containing ethylene oxide, a ca- carcinogenic substance, 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 substantiates by both companies does raise a flag or bows. European Food Authority reportedly found the same car carcinogen in 5 5 527 Indi, Indian food product. The US FDA, which has raised the issue of salmonella can contamination in pre-packed mixes, is conducting a fresh probe. Indian Spices Board, Government of India's regulator for spice exports, is working with companies to address the issue. Between Nestle added sugar infant foods for Indian markets controversy, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India (FSAI) is stopping melted beverages and mixes from being sold as health drinks, and now I-Affair ethylene oxide. Food safety is now a hepto hepto ratio hepto hack potato public health topic. Reputational damage that can affect export aside, reports that we may be routinely consuming harmful products is worrying, more so as growing affluence is changing our food basket and habit. This makes it more urgent to have a robust food regulator with the right capabilities as gatekeepers of the nation's ali- alimentary system. FSAI needs more guts. It now has a net network of more than 200 food testing labs, but more needs to be done given the range of food segments. Increasing accredited labs, ensuring functional state food labs, upping trained manpower, and focusing and enforcement of norms must be prioritized, whether to clear allegations or to clamp down on non-compliance. FSAI must coordinate with other food-related regulators to ensure that what we consume and shall be elsewhere. Shall we sell elsewhere is safe.